All right, so I've got something pretty cool on the bench today and pretty unique. Today we're going to be rebarreling a Barrett MRAD. The current barrel on the rifle is a 16-inch 308 1 in 10 twist barrel, and my customer is upgrading to a 300 Norma Magnum build. I've got an 8-twist Lothar Walther blank ready to go. We've got our PT&G reamer and gauges and a Barrett barrel maker's kit for the MRAD. Inside you've got all the various parts and pieces, extractors, ejectors, bolt head, your blueprint for what you want to cut the extension to fit. Here's the barrel extension and then the bolt, and there's a few other components in there as well. So I'm going to take you along for the process of building this rifle. It should be pretty neat when we're done. So I've got my barrel extension fit on, real good thread fit there. Okay, so what you see here is coolant being pumped down the bore of this barrel with my through-bore coolant flush system. This helps me keep the reamer clean and flush chips out of the bore. It helps keep everything lubricated, and it also helps keep the barrel cool. And so this really helps me hold fantastic tolerances and surface finishes while reaming. All right, so this works kind of like a Savage barrel nut, or an AR barrel extension. It's kind of a combination of both. So I'll run this barrel nut up on here. Alright, so now that the barrel nut is on, I will run this barrel extension up on here. And so this barrel extension's got these real tight clearances here and here with a reduced section here, so that it helps it hold itself concentric to center line when it rolls on, just because it is so far from the threads. I'll go ahead and throw my go gauge in there as well, and then drop my bolt head into this, and then we'll run it till it would bump on your go gauge. So there we go, it bumps closed. Then you would tighten the barrel nut down. So I'll install this off camera and torque it to spec and put proper clearance there on the gauge, but that's how this barrel nut system works on this MRAD barrel. All right, so here's the MRAD barrel back from fluting. We've got 6 flute, external flutes in a straight pattern, and now we've got them aligned with top dead center. So I had to index the barrel extension before we could get it fluted, so now we're indexed and fluted. I'd cut a center in the front of the muzzle if it'll focus there, so that it would not destroy the muzzle end of the barrel on centers in the fluting process. So now I'll go ahead and cut it off at the final length and then get it muzzle threaded. quite nice. Oh! So here is the finished Barrett MRAD. This is a pretty fun and unique project. It's something that a lot of guys may not see come to the shop, and so I figured I wanted to document it just so I could kind of show off, one, the machine work we're capable of, and two, just kind of something pretty unique and different. This MRAD came into the shop about a year before this project started, and we did the Cerakote project you're seeing on it. It's a black multicam with more of a brown, tan, and coyote look than you would have with like a traditional black multicam. The rifle as a whole, I'm very happy with how it came out. The customer was ecstatic when we delivered it, and we're excited to see what this rifle will do downrange. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know that you want to see some more content from us. And again, if you need some custom rifle work, Servos Custom Firearms in Stapleton, Alabama, we'd be happy to help. Thanks again for watching. Bye.